Hello everybody, my name is Rick, and for the past 17 or so of these live streams, we've been programming a version of Wordle for ourselves to play on the Mac on the terminal. This game is written in Swift, and today I'm just gonna, I think, clean up the project and propose a new area of attack, or a new area that we could use or explore, because the game, I think, is nearly done. Let's play it. This is typical Wordle. This picks a random word, so we didn't do any of that stuff where if it is today, which happens to be March 3, it will play it'll play word number 3, for example. We don't have that logic. It picks a random word from its list of about 4,000 words. And we already know that there's some issues with that word list, but let's go ahead and try to play this. I'm going to say taser. It's not in my dictionary, so right away we got to add that, because taser is a Wordle word that I've used in the game, and my understanding is it actually means something. So, but if that doesn't work, then stare. Okay, and that didn't work, so tushy. Oh wow, that didn't work. Nope. Cats. See, that's a word that should have been in the dictionary. Okay. So now we're just playing Wordle, but let's see if we can get it, but not spend like the rest of this thing playing this super enjoyable game. But sometimes I let it play sometimes I sit on the word for hours on end. So we know there's an S and a T, and it's not any of these things, so not based, not case. It's the other thing that's great about Wordle is when you're playing the game, you have a keyboard right in front of you, so that could be something we might consider when I show you the next thing we're going to try, or the next thing I'm going to try. I wish a word would just jump right out at me, but it's not. Okay, so I got ST, but there are a lot of words that end in ST. I'm gonna try, not crust, but chest. AEIOU. So it could be ghost. Nope. Yeah, this is gonna be one of those words where it's gonna be, you have a very common ending or beginning, and you're just guessing at this point. Ghost. But I have eliminated letters, and I think what would be cool is maybe instead of just looking at the letters here, you could have that keyboard that shows whether a letter has been made available or not. That would be challenging to try to figure out. Maybe here in the guess row or in the game loop, we could query the guess rows and see what letters have been chosen, and then we could display it. And then we could have maybe a keyboard shortcut to display what's available. That could be something that would be interesting to code up, and I'm thinking I might do that. Ghost. So 2 more guesses, and A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U. So I hasn't been used, and that means it could be, yeah, this is hard without the keyboard telling me, giving me a visual of what's available. So I'm doing some game testing. It could be like something like that. Wow, this game has become very difficult. Maybe my lack of imagination for figuring out what a good word is. So sometimes when that happens in Wordle, I'll just pick a word that doesn't have any of the letters that I'm using. So maybe I can do something like Unix. Oh brother. So that's not in there, but I can do not next, but naked. So there's a D in there, but it's already towards the end. This is going to have to be the one that counts. Oh boy. Yesterday I was telling people about how I could use the dictionary of words that we have here and just search for the ST words. But I wasn't able to get that to work. So it was something like this. If I look at the log, it was grep minus E. And ST and common. So these are, oh, so I did get it. So these are our words, and then from here I can do something like, now I'm just showing you how to cheat at Wordle. So it's one of these. I'm gonna guess midst. Oh, didst? Didst? So one of the things that we left off yesterday is there were all these dictionaries that we grabbed from this project, and one of the dictionaries that was here was called single words. 350,000 single words. So I'm going to get this list. I'm just going to see if this will give us some other options. I did download yesterday the compound word list, but when I did the search, on the compound word list. Wow, it didn't give me anything. I wonder why. So when I look through this list, if I search for the letter A, yeah, you could see it's compound words. So this word list was not interesting, but I did download it because there were 257,000. But I'm going to get rid of this word list and concentrate on single. Did I not copy it over? Let's just look at this list. See, I'm still not happy with these non-alpha characters. But let's so here's something. There's got some S's here. Let's see if it has the word walks. Boardwalks, crosswalks. You just have the word walks? It does. Does it have taser? No. What was the other word that it didn't have? Crabs. It's got grabs. It's got crabs. Toads. It's got toads. And it's already got walks, but grail. Let's see, grail. You got that. You got grails. Wow. I'm not saying that I found Josh's word list, but this is a good one. I have this valid word list of 14, so I'm going to say valid word list words V1. Word V1. I just want to have it for posterity, and I'm going to do this function. Say common, and then single. So I already have some problems. My little regular expression here is not working. It is what I put into the commit. I think it might be that single word is a DOS file, so let me try making it a Unix file and trying that command again. I think that might have done it. Yeah, now it's got 14,000 words. That's a lot, but let's see what we've got. Yeah, there's some difficult things in here. A comma. This, if we threw this in as the word list, this would be quite difficult. But I am going to try it anyway, because it has words like walks. It has the words that we were missing. Crabs. Basically, we can do this valid word list rig and valid words. Yeah, basically it has the whole set. So already, but it doesn't have taser, so I'm going to even just manually add that. I'm going to search for TAS taser. So so what we've done is we've manipulated this dictionary list. It's got a lot of words in it that are probably not good. Again, from what I remember on the internet, the word list is 6,000 words because it's just easier. It just makes it easier. Because if I had a word like word like 60. Gallus, Gala, Galax, Golba. That's some of these words. How could these be words? So what? We're gonna commit this, but we do have to go back and adjust this a little bit. Like maybe. Yeah. Like this is not a word that I think people would get. Gaize. It makes me wonder about the other dictionary that I was looking at. So let me, I'll talk about that in a second. Where's my design here? English words. Weird, because that's oh boy. See this so when I was researching where I could get a dictionary, I found this GitHub repo, and it had dictionaries, so I said, oh, I'll be able to just use it as a Git project. But here, you can see it's got this, a reference to the word list that we were using, Moby word lists. It's amazing that there's no copyright if this release date was 2002. What? The word, the dictionary. It seems as if it gives credit to the Project Gutenberg book that we use. Yeah. So we're let's make this, let's commit this. I want to make a note about the fact that I had to set the file type to be Unix. And let me see if I got this. Now, what we're going to do is just try to play the game and see. Let's just see how long it takes, because we've gone from 14 to 4,000 to 14,000. Let's see how long it takes to start the game. I don't know about you, but that took a little time. That took a little time, and it's not an onerous amount of time, and because we know that the lookups on the dictionary are going to be order 1, it's going to be fine. I'm going to first put in taser. That's not the word, but I only got 2 letters. And we got that, and it's gonna be X. It's gonna be something like XEXAS. It's not Texas. Not in my dictionary. That's actually serious when it says that. 14,000 words is not in my dictionary. Just playing Wordle in front of everybody. Okay, we have a backdoor. Decay. See, that's a good word. That's a good word. Oh, wow. That word is not in my... Oh. That's a bug. That's a bug. If I put in a capital letter as a guess, it should be able to look that up. And the reason why it couldn't is because the word list is stored lowercase. So let's fix that bug. And talk about that soon. Go and run that real quick and put in a word. We'll put in taser in all capital letters and it should find it. This takes a while. Yeah, that's better. And what's the word? Diota. See? Hmm. Let's quickly add this change here. Minute A. What we'll do now is ponder a couple of things. So we're going to end soon. This word list is a little funky. I think first of all, this stream is going to end, or at least this series is going to end, and because we've pretty much coded the game of Wordle. It's not the exact game, of course it's not, but I want to show you something that I think is intriguing and the thing that interests me to try to program next. It's still Wordle, but let me Diota. What I've found is for the terminal, you can make programs that look as if they have windows in them. I know it's not Swift UI. Everybody wants to do Swift UI. Me too. I want to do Swift UI. But it's intriguing. When I started reading this, I thought, whoa, this is not bad. And I originally started with I'll start showing you some things here. Nope. Random. Yeah. So for example, this is what you could do with curses. NCURSES, which N stands for new. Right. I mean, is that not cool? I don't know. I think it's cool. And when you look at the code, it's in C, but it's actually I mean, first of all, there's the algorithm to generate the triangles, but if you ignore that, it's just composed of things like move this character to an XY location. Add a string, press any key to quit. What other things from NCURSES? Initialize the screen. Clear the screen. I mean, this is manageable. At least for me it is. And as a hobbyist programmer, it's just the right amount of challenge for me to try to tackle our game, which is written in Swift, to use a CURSES interface. So I went to this website right here to start learning about the NCURSES, and there's some interesting programs. When you go here, there's a there's a list. There's a directory, a tar file full of NCURSES programs that are here in here, and I've downloaded it. And I've compiled a bunch of them. Where are they? Demo? Yeah. So the one that for me is the most compelling. Well, first of all, I'll demonstrate. Here's another one. Tower of Hanoi with 4 disks. Oh. Let's do 4. So you can see it's got some basic UI capabilities. And I don't know what this bus error is, but it's clearly a problem with the C code. This is all in C, these examples. I'll go to the NCURSES programs just for fun. Hanoi. You can see it's just a bunch of C programs, and but the thing that really grabbed my eye was this. I mean, that's some X's. That's easy. Then I found browse. No, resize. You can see there's some basic colors here. So use M for moving, and tab, so you can do tab to go to the different letters. So I don't know about you, but I can see NCURSES as being fully capable of rendering the standard Wordle board. And I then came up with the thought, oh, okay, now I gotta make some squares, and that's pretty basic. But then there was this. There it is. This is exactly the UI. It's got 5 columns. It's only got it's got 5 rows, but we could easily add another row. And in the end, we don't even have to go this hard. We can mock up a simple display that looks like like this. Where's the Wordle game that I have here? Yeah. We can just open the game. It could have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, and these could be like these could be blank, and then there would be something down here like the keyboard. There could be the keyboard here, QWERTY, for example, and ASDFGHJKL, ZXC, and because we have the ability in Curses to do colors, we could when we pick one that matches, we could draw the appropriate color that we've selected it, just like in the game. We don't have any examples of it here, but we could have the keyboard in here, and then the guess could be down here. We could say guess 1 of 6, and you saw that we could manipulate it in this let's see, there was another one that had something that simple, was it form symbol? Something like this. Hello, goodbye. So it's here. I think it's here. Form simple. So this is what I'm going to program, and I hope it's interesting as something to stream. When I come online next, obviously we can't do this in C. I mean we could, because there's just not a lot of logic here that we've written, and even though we have these as classes, you can kind of fake classes in C. But what we can do is explore a few libraries that are written in Swift that encapsulate the Curses display. So that was the big reveal. We'll try to make a version of the game that will do a display using this kind of a layout, and it could be smart about the letters. And anyway, this could be fun. Well, I know it will be fun for me, and I think for this next series I probably won't talk as much. You'll just see me typing and doing stuff, but I'm gonna try it and see how far I get. So that's all that I have for now. We push these up. We have some big changes to the game that's available for people to try, but the next time we're on, I'm gonna start thinking about how to revamp the interface, because our interface is textual, and it goes across the screen. So this here will probably change to Programming Wordle and Swift or the command line, but I'll probably have maybe that picture that I had in the here, with colors and things like that. So yeah, we'll catch everybody next time, and I thank you for checking this out.